Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I am going to be doing my updated 2022 makeup look. So this is just the look I would do whenever I'm doing my makeup. I don't really like do it every single day because I don't wear makeup every day, but when I do wear makeup this is like the look that I would do. So if you're interested in seeing it, then please keep watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so that you won't miss any of my other videos like this one. I'm gonna try and start uploading weekly, so yeah, hopefully you'll be seeing some new videos soon, and also comment down below what ones you would like to see so that I can have some ideas. But let's just get on with this video. Also, please don't mind my hair. I have done it a few days ago, so it's kind of messy now, but yeah. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is priming my face, and I use the Fenty Beauty primer. I think it's called the Pro Filter. So this is a primer that I use, and I just feel like it gives a really nice finish every time you use it, and it also makes your skin feel super soft and light before you put your makeup on. It's actually almost run out, so I'm really having to get it out. That will have to be enough because I literally cannot get any more out. My cat is literally on the balcony, look. He's literally there. I had to keep him out for the video because he keeps being sick. He keeps like hunting animals, and yesterday he brought a baby chick home, which is really sad, and he killed it. So then after, he kept being sick because like they're obviously like not making his stomach feel very nice. But yeah, so at the moment I've actually been mixing two foundations together. So first of all I mixed the NARS Sheer Glow foundation with the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter foundation, and the shade I'm using in the Fenty one is 180, and this shade of the NARS one is Stromboli, and it is slightly dark, but this one makes it like a lot lighter because I actually got this too light. So I will mix them together. Come in. My cat wants to come in, guys. Dylan, if you haven't seen him before, he's a British short hair. He's so cute, I love him. Anyway, so I'm just gonna put this on my face now. I put it on my hand. That looks weird. I'm just mixing it together with this brush, and this should like be enough for my whole face. I don't know what this brush is from. I do not know what the brand is. I can't read it, but I have it. So now I'm just gonna put it over my face. And bring it down the neck because you don't want your neck to look a different colour to your face. So something I've been doing lately that I didn't actually used to do is I've been putting on bronzer before concealer, and I did see like a girl do this before on Instagram, and I just thought it looked better how it looked when she finished off her makeup, so I actually do that now. And I use the Hoola bronzer Toasted. I swear Toasted would mean it was like lighter than the other one, but it's actually darker. So yeah, obviously it will be okay because my foundation's quite dark anyway, but I'm gonna go get my bronzer brush now because it's all the way over there. So for bronzer I'm just using this big fluffy brush, but this is like really dark. You really have to. Oh, the brush literally just come off of its stick. I think I shook it a bit hard. This brush is pretty old, not gonna lie. So I'm just gonna like bronze like my face everywhere. Like I said, the foundation is quite dark anyway, so this just makes you look more bronzed. The forehead. Honestly, I have quite a small forehead, so I don't really need to do that, but I might still do it anyway. And then, of course, underneath the chin. You can even put it on, I even put it on like my collarbone and my like shoulders, because then your neck and like will look the same as your face, if you can see that. I had to bring this over here because I kept having to run back and get my brushes every single time, but I'm just going to put them here on the floor. So now I'm going to contour my nose. So it's really weird. The one I use for my nose contour is actually from the Naked Free palette, because I don't really have many small eye brushes or small face brushes. I literally have, that's literally all I have. So I use this one, and I use the more fat end, and I just get some of the bronzer. Let me look in the mirror. And I do it down the side of my nose, and down the other side, up into the brow bone so it looks more blended out. And then I do it underneath to give the effect more of a button nose, because I definitely don't have a button nose. Just a little line across here. You could probably like use just one swipe of the bronzer for everything, because then it doesn't look too like much. Also, I put a little bit under my lip, and it kind of just gives the effect of more of a, like that. Oh my gosh, I forgot something. Literally hate, and I know that's a strong word, but I hate it when I see makeup videos and they leave the foundation lips and then put like a lipstick over it. I don't know, maybe like it's something that I don't know that helps, like the lipstick. So I'm not judging anyone, but it's just not something I like. It looks so much better already. For concealer, I'm using the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer, and this one is very light, especially compared to my NARS foundation. Wow. So it does really brighten up the eyes. Wow, my face is so itchy today. So I'm just gonna do like a little bit there, a bit up like that. I'm gonna use a beauty blender. I need to go get my prep and prime. So now I just wet my beauty blender with my MAC prep and prime. Just going to blend it in. It was quite light, but as you can see, like once I've blended it in, it looks quite good, because it's like a really like brightness under the eyes compared to the face. And then I'm just going to set it with my Huda Beauty banana bread baking powder. And I use this Sephora highlighting brush, because it just like the shape of it has like literally merged into the shape of my under eye, so it fits under there perfectly. And I don't actually like bake, I literally just press it in and then wipe it away. And I also do this in the areas where I feel like will get oily. Just use the rest of it for them areas, like there, or on my lip, chin. For my eyebrows, honestly, I don't really do anything. I just brush them up with my spoolie. I ordered these off of Amazon. It came in a pack of like 100, and I think they're really cute. They're black glittery ones. So I literally just brush up my eyebrow like that. If I'm feeling really fancy, I'll put concealer under it. But honestly, I just think it looks fine, because my eyebrows are quite thick anyway. And lately, you guys will be very surprised, I have stopped wearing eyelashes, fake eyelashes. And I feel like I used to wear them like a lot. But honestly, I have noticed so much since I stopped wearing them. My eyelashes have grown so much, and I've always had really long eyelashes, but I ruined them with fake eyelashes. And every time I would take them out, you know, the glue would rip them out. But ever since I've been not using it, it's been really great. Mascara I'm going to use is this one. I don't actually know this brand, but it just is called 17, I think that's what it says on it. It actually got sent to me in a Love Island package, so that was really lovely. And ever since I opened it, I've been using it, and it is so good. So first I'm going to curl my eyelashes, and these are, I think, Unicorn Cosmetics eyelash curlers. So yeah, I'm just going to do that first. Yeah, can you see like they have grown? So I'm really happy about that. Whoops. And then I just kind of do this a little bit. I used to like do this like crazy, but it's actually really bad. You're meant to just like do this, and then it gets all of the mascara onto the wand. So I'm not actually going to use this, but I just thought it was something really cool I wanted to show you guys. So it is the Love Island I Got a Text palette. I also got sent this in my Love Island package. I should have done a haul and what I got in it, but I've already opened it all up now and used most of it. But I just thought it was so pretty, and yeah. Oh my gosh, that helicopter. And this is what it looks like inside. So yeah, it has some really nice different shades, various shades. But let me know, and I will do a tutorial using this eyeshadow palette if you want me to. Now I'm going to do my blush. So I've been using the same blush for like a long time actually. This is literally just Beauty Bay's own blush, and it's called Peachy. I just love how it looks. And I'm using this brush, Real Techniques 037 brush, into like where your eyes are here, and it gives a really nice effect like that. And I also put it in a normal place too, just across my nose. and then just across. I literally do it like a line, like that. Don't really wear highlighter anymore. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to put it on the end of my nose. So I'll be using this, my favourite highlighter of all time, the Anastasia Beverly Hills So Hollywood Loose Highlighter. They come in a 3-pack, and I have this one and this one. Oh, literally, I love how they are. Get some on my finger, put it on the end of my nose, and the bridge of my nose. But I'm literally just doing that for the purpose of this video. I wouldn't usually wear it. For lip liner, I'm using the Beauty Bay lip liner in the colour Vintage, I think. Just a brown one. Let me use this as a mirror. I should have used this as a mirror the whole time. I'm just gonna go like over my lips slightly, because that's what I always do. So just like this. And I'm not using a lot of pressure because it's quite a dark colour in the bottom. Now once I've done that, I'm going to blend it, so I bring it down just with my finger. So it's more of an ombre effect. Then I clean up the bottom with some concealer. This is literally my oldest brush. I've had it for so long, and I always used to use it to carve out my eyebrows when like them big Insta brows were a thing. But obviously we do not do that anymore. But I'm going to use it for my underlip. And it just looks better already. So this can actually go 3 ways now. So I can literally leave it like this for a matte like ombre look, or I could use my Fenty Beauty Fenty Glow lip gloss. So it's like a lip liner and a gloss, which is literally one of my favourite combos. Or I will do like a creamy look. So this is the MAC Sakura Season Love Me lipstick, and it has really pretty packaging, and it's just like a nude colour. So I will show you how it looks. I think I'm going to do that today. You could even top it with the gloss, but I'm going to leave it. The thing you're going to think is really weird, I run out of my setting spray, so I'm not actually going to set this, but I'm not going anywhere anyway, so it doesn't matter. But that is the finished look. I hope you like it. I think it's just quite a simple, glowy type of look. You can literally wear it anywhere you're going. So yeah, I'm quite proud of it actually. And if you wanted to follow along, you can rewind the video and follow along. I quite like it. So yeah, that is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed watching. Please comment down below any other makeup videos you want me to do, or any other videos in general, because like I said, I need ideas. I'm gonna try upload weekly, so yeah, hopefully by the time you see this one, and I'll be like filming another one or something. But make sure you like it and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Goodbye.